Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Madam Rides the Bus. In our previous session we came to know that Valli, she was traveling in the bus and she observed all the things which were there inside the bus, but she could not see outside properly because the view cut off by the canvas blind that covered the lower part of a window. That's why she stood on her seat and she started to see outside. Outside she saw there was a canal one side of the way, and beyond that there were many palm trees, grassland, and in the distance there were mountains and blue sky. Another side there was a deep ditch and acres of green fields. She was observing those things. Then a voice came, "Listen child, you shouldn't stand like that, sit down," like that someone told, and she saw there was an elderly man. She was annoyed, means irritated by that attention. Now let us continue the lesson. "There is nobody here who is a child," she said haughtily. "I have paid my 30 paise like everyone else." Then she said to that old man, "There is nobody here who is a child. I am not a child," she said haughtily. Haughtily means proudly. "I have paid my 30 paise like everyone else. Like everyone else, I also have paid 30 paise. So I am not a child." The conductor chimed in, "Oh sir, but this is a very grown-up madam. Do you think a mere girl could pay her own fare and travel to the city all alone?" See, then conductor chimed in. What do you mean by chimed in? Interrupted or intervene. He interfered in their conversation. He started to speak. "Oh sir," he said to that old man, "but this is a very grown-up madam. She is not a child. This is a grown-up madam. Do you think mere girl could pay her own fare and travel to the city all alone? Do you think mere girl, a small girl, could pay her own fare and travel to the city all alone?" Usually small children, they do not do that work. So this girl is not a child, she is a madam, she is already grown up. Like that conductor made fun of that girl Valli. Valli shot an angry glance at the conductor and said, "I am not a madam, please remember that, and you have not yet given my ticket." See here, Valli shot an angry glance. In an angry manner, she looked at the conductor and said, "I am not a madam. Why you are calling me madam, madam? I am not a madam. Please remember that. You remember. And you have not yet given me my ticket. You have not yet given me my ticket," she said to the conductor. "I'll remember," the conductor said, mimicking her tone. Everyone laughed and gradually Valli too joined in the laughter. "Yeah, now I will remember that. I will give you your ticket," he said, mimicking her voice. Mimicking means copying her voice. Everyone laughed. Other passengers who were there in the bus, they laughed, and gradually Valli too joined in the laughter. Valli also at last started to laugh. The conductor punched a ticket and handed it to her. Just sit back and make yourself comfortable. Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? Okay. Then conductor, he punched the ticket and handed it to her. And also he suggested her to sit on her seat comfortably because she had paid for her seat. Then she replied, because I want to. She answered, standing up again. I want to stand up. Telling like that, she stood again on her seat. But if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself when the bus makes a sharp turn or hits a bump. That's why we want to that's why we want you to sit down, child. Then conductor again said, but if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself. When the bus makes a sharp turn, bus, all of a sudden it may turn quickly. Or it may hit to a bump. Bump means hump or raised part of road. Okay. That time you may fall down. That's why you sit down in your place. That's why we want you to sit down, child. That's why we are telling you to sit on your seat. I am not a child, I tell you, she said irritably. I am 8 years old. Again Valli said, I am not a child, I tell you. She said irritably in an irritating manner. I am 8 years old. I am already 8 years old. I am not a child. See the difficult condition of conductor and other passengers here. They should not call her madam. They should not call her a child also. Then what they have to call her? Of course. How stupid of me. 8 years mine. Then conductor again said, of course. How stupid of me. Yeah, I am a stupid. 8 years mine. 8 years mine. After that what he has to tell? He didn't know. My madam, he should not tell like that. Or he should not call her my child. That's why he stopped there only. Mine. The bus stopped. Some new passengers got on and the conductor got busy for a time. Afraid of losing her seat, Valli finally sat down. Yes, the bus stopped in the another station. Some new passengers got on and conductor got busy for a time. Okay, he was busy in distributing tickets to them, the new passengers. Afraid of losing her seat, Valli finally sat down. Yes, afraid of losing her seat, she sat on her seat. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.